Hey everyone, welcome back. Trying to send money to someone on Beem and the payment just fails, freezes, or gets stuck without going through? Here's the fix. First, confirm the person you're sending it to is a registered Beem user. Beem only works between registered users and won't send to non Beem contacts. If they are definitely registered, force close the Beem app from your recent apps and then reopen completely on a fresh session. Since a sending bug that causes payment to freeze is specifically something Beam's dev team has patched multiple times and sometimes re-emerges after a cache builds up. After force closing, go to your settings app, then go to general. Next, go to iPhone storage. Scroll down to the list of apps, find Beam, and then tap Offload app. Next, go to the App Store, search for Beam, and then reinstall it fresh from here. After reinstalling, remove your card and re-add it before trying the payment again. This refreshes the card token that payments are processed through. If the payment still fails, try a small test amount first. Some users confirmed sending a small amount like $10 first clears whatever is blocking a larger payment. So all you gotta do is force close and reopen, offload and reinstall, remove and re-add your card and try a small test payment first. The payment sends and that's it. Subscribe.